Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing connections right away. Then scroll all the way down, click on more connection settings and tap on printing. Now you can click on the footprint service right away and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, click on Download plugin, install the best one for you and go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!